anybody that rises up and takes over all of the Indian Ocean basin? No. Is there anybody that ever rises up and takes over all of the Silk Road? The Mongolians do. However, Sam also correctly identified that could you talk about other empires that control a lot of it? Yes, so you could talk about the Byzantine and the Tang. You could talk about the Islamic Caliphate. You could talk about other empires that rule it. What dictates trade, though, in the Indian Ocean basin? Is it empires? If it's not empires, then what is it? Cities. So then you would bring up which cities. There's 3 of them that are major in the Indian Ocean basin. Malacca, or the Calcut, and what's on the eastern end, or western. The Swahili city-states. And so that would be your difference, is you're like, wow, empires rise up, but there are no empires in the Indian Ocean basin that control it. We're just talking about little cities. Why do you think there's a bigger difference there? How come you can control land routes during this time period, but you can't control water routes? What? You can claim it today. How come we can do it a lot easier today than we could back 2000? Technologies are limiting. It's easier to have horses than it is to have an entire fleet. Cannons have not been invented yet, so that's a big difference. All right. If you would. Take a little break. If you would get with your people, and then we're going to go to one of the maps around the room. A little challenge for you finger pointers. Okay. Oh, riddle, no.
Oh, it's not fair.
And you're going with team 6.
No.
All right, get up and move around to one of the tables.
Where's 6?
All right. We're going to go to map number 1 first. And Baghdad. Answer is AB. You go to Timbuktu. Should have sneezed during that time. Answer?
Control it.
C. Cahokia.
I didn't know
A. Malacca. AD. All the way over there. That's one of those cities that we were just talking about that is not controlling it on any way, shape, or form. If you guys would move to map number 3. The saddle makes the biggest impact on this trade route. Answer? E.
Okay.
Controlling the monsoon winds.
Yeah. You can give me that one.
Answer? A, B. How about the use of the lateen sail? This is a twofer. You needed to have D and A, B. This one traveled bulk goods on it. Heavy items, big items, lots of them. Such as cotton. Bales of it. Could have been the Mediterranean or the Indian Ocean. This one spread only luxury items.
What items?
Luxury. Could have been C or
Yeah.
E. This one used the Mita system.
Ow, I stabbed someone.
That's the B. All right, let's go up to 2.
This is the map.
This is the map. Swahili city-states. Answer? AD. Islamic Caliphate. Alright, if you look at the Islamic Caliphate again for a moment, which trade routes are they on? Trans-Saharan, Silk Road, Mediterranean, and Indian Ocean. They're on all of them. That's why Arabic is going to be diffused during this time period because of it. Byzantine Empire.
Oh, that's right.
E for Aaron. Italian city-states.
It's the Vikings.
Vikings.
He didn't even tell us the answer.
You get that one.
Oh,
We weren't ready.
You guys didn't know? It was A B before, now it is D. Alright, if you did have the highest totals, raise your hand.
Yes.
Sorry, my team's got
I got some jelly raisins for you.
No, you don't. Mr. Heintz, I